In this video, we will show you how to enable recording for Google Meet. To enable recording on Google Meet, it's very easy. For example here, we need to log in into our Google Meet. Okay. After you creating a new meeting, let me show you with start an instant meeting. This is the fastest way we can create meeting. To enable the recording, and you can download your recorded file on the email or on Google Drive. How to do that? First, in here, when we meeting look like this, and we can record the meeting by clicking this option, okay, and select manage recording. After you click manage recording, you can also include caption in the recording so you don't forget that your meeting already recorded. Okay, just click start recording to start the recording for your meeting and click start. Okay, check this is 1, 2, 3. You can see recording will start soon. Okay, this is already record our meeting, and you can see the caption when our meeting has been recorded. You can see in here. Okay, this call is being recorded. Okay, to stop the recording, you can just click stop here. If you don't include the caption, maybe you are confused that your meeting already record or not. Okay, and how to get the file of your recorded meeting. After you click stop here, okay, after you click stop, the Google Meet will email you the file of your recorded meeting has been sent into your email, and you can also see on the Google Drive. Okay, let's check our email. This is just for example. Okay, you can see this is the example of our file that we can click on the link, and this is our meeting has been recorded. Okay, you can also find the recorded, okay, on the Google Drive and select the Meet recording, and you can see there. Okay, that's all tutorial how to record meeting on Google Meet. Hope this video helpful for you.